Today on Fishing with Fatness, trying to beat a little storm. Got some motherfucking bluegills. Got a secret bait today. Yeah, buddy, I hope I catch something big. Man, I hope this motherfucking bullfrog does something. I might run back home and get my neck though. Seems I forgot that. Gotta have that. Maybe get some action on this bluegill too. It's supposed to rain within like an hour. The dark is over there though. Tornado warnings and shit going off on the phone. I'm just over here fishing. Ain't my first time fishing in a tornado. Oh, my poles don't go nowhere though. And we don't stop. Yeah, man, I got caught in this shit. Hope the motherfucker don't die. You see me, your boy still at it. I don't give up. Fuck a tornado, buddy. I'm chasing flatties.
I mean, you didn't think I was going to let a little tornado stop me from chasing these flatties. You see your boy on the map with a little something. Little baby shark over here. I'll get it in real quick. You see me? If I get my fat ass up this riverbank, I'm roll an ankle. But yeah, you see me. Little 3-4 pounder. I'm out here.